The video team's mission is to provide real-time situational awareness and communication. So what we do is we identify locations throughout the city that we believe are going to be vulnerabilities.
Having real-time information helps us stay on the leading edge of our responses, whether it's chem, bio, radiological, hazmat, whatever's going on in the areas where we have protectees, and we can put our video wherever we need to. So whether it's the Director's Crisis Center, the Multi-Agency Coordinating Center, or wherever else we would need it in an emergency situation.
Some of the unique challenges that we face in New York City is it's a very populous city, which means that there's a lot of interference. There's a lot of devices in this city that emit radio frequencies. And so we have to work through all this interference in order to get connectivity. The capabilities on these cameras are very impressive. Our resolution allows us to identify vehicle, make, model, license plates, and even the identity of some drivers.
We're piloting AI and machine learning analytics. These analytics can be leveraged to identify potential threats, preemptively identify suspicious activity, and provide insights such as crowd sizes, direction of travel, and other types of data. This will ultimately help the Secret Service in predicting, identifying, and potentially mitigate threats before they happen at protected events.
Success for us is having a working, viewable product that we can distribute to all necessary law enforcement partners to have real-time awareness of the situation on the ground or where we are. We can also use that information to effectively articulate our response and to keep our protectees safe.